Christmas?
I received a reindeer plushie and a snowman plushie.
Wow, they're beautiful. So, from Cisco to Simon. Ooh, I wonder what is it?
What is it?
Oh, it looks like Meraki. Oh my God, it's a brand new MT15. It's a CO2 detector. So you can put that in your office or in your school. And you know what? It will detect if there's too much CO2 in the air.
So we will need more plants.
Oh yes, you will need more plants. And you know what? You will be able to know in real time the temperature of the room, the humidity of the room too, and the air quality. So,
That's a nice gadget.
this is the best gadget on the market. I'm so happy. Thank you, Santa Claus Cisco. I appreciate the gift. Wow! Look at this beauty. The new Cisco MT15.